It's Pride Month, so let's talk about LGBTQ in India, or what homophobes would say.
Why are you gay?
There is a big taboo in India regarding the LGBTQ community, and that taboo can get really weird.
ये सारी चीजें पश्चिमी देशों से ही आई हुई हैं, हमारे देश की पैदाइश नहीं।
It's a mental disease. It's a mental disease. It's here only.
It's here only. समझे क्या? This is all in the head, right? Everything is all in the head. It's all science. Psychological aspect of your mind. You have to explore that and understand that it is all in the head.
साला पूरा कलयुग है।
डॉक्टर किसी बीमारी का इलाज करता है, ऐसे ही सोसाइटी को इसका इलाज करना पड़ेगा।
Doctors, why aren't you curing all this, हैं?
वो तो कितने कुत्ते होते
दिखाओ क्या होते हैं?
कितने कुत्ते।
You might have seen homophobia, but you don't know the impact of a sexual relationship between the similar sex.
ऐसा होने से पृथ्वी हिल जाती है।
पृथ्वी हिल जाती है।
बिल्कुल।
समझे क्या? Earthquake, when sexual relationship between same sex happens na, that time earthquake happens. You might have seen a lot of tsunamis and earthquakes happening in the world. The reason for that is homosexuals are having sex. Most people are homophobic or are against homosexuals because they don't really understand homosexuals. The biggest myth being, it's a choice. Nahi bhai, it is not a choice. Just like people are attracted to opposite sex, in the similar way, people are attracted to the similar sex. Case closed. Bas idhar hi case closed. Nothing else to discuss on this. Can you change it? No, you can't change it. People think that there is like a LGBTQ epidemic, it's like a disease which can spread around. So people will, try to stay away. Kahi chhu liya to gay na ban jao. And homophobes have this particular mindset. Like if they come across someone gay, they think that the person will just pounce on you. That's what they're waiting to do. Like, आजा तुझे gay बनाते हैं. चलो भाई gay बनते हैं आज. ऐसे नहीं होता है भाई. Dude, please stop flattering yourself. First of all, the self-importance you see of that person, that they are too attractive, and gays or homosexuals are just there to pounce on people and to make people gay. People need to understand this is not a zombie apocalypse where people are trying to, turn people into gays. नहीं भाई, ये नहीं है. Some people have a different kind of denial. Like, gays don't exist only. Homosexuals, transgenders, ये क्या है? Exist ही नहीं करते. Just like the Apollo mission. Or another myth being, it's a Western concept. British आए इंडिया में homosexuality डाल के निकल गए भाई. So Britishers got homosexuality to India. Otherwise it wasn't there only. And mind you, the percentage of population of the LGBTQ community is at a conservative amount of 3%. 3%, which is very significant. So why doesn't the LGBTQ community have rights? Just because they don't fit in your closed mindset, that doesn't mean that they can't have rights. In 2018, a historic decision was taken of repealing Section 377, which criminalized same-sex relationships and unnatural sex like oral sex and anal sex. So before 2018, all of you criminals you all were. Shame. Coming back, years of struggle by the LGBTQ community in 2018 finally paid off. The BJP had a very shifty stand on this. Some supported this move, many were silent on this move, and some were just outright against this move. The government mostly left it to the Supreme Court to decide, like you all decide, we aren't being a part of this. But the RSS welcomed this move. But let's see some ministers and what they had to say about homosexuality. Yogi Adityanath said, homosexuality is dangerous to social morality. If social norms and boundaries are done away with, then there is not much difference between man and animal. मतलब भाई homosexuals animals. ये क्या बात? If someone wants to do a traffic junction, what one does at home, it shouldn't receive any constitutional status either. क्या बात? गाय के सिवा कुछ दिखा है योगी जी को? Ghulam Nabi Azad from Congress said, unfortunately this disease has come to the world and to our country where a man has sex with another man. This is completely unnatural and should not happen. But it's happening. In our country too, the number of men having sex with men is high. The disease of men having sex with men is unnatural and not good for India. not good for India. क्या बात. We are not able to identify where it is happening as it is less reported. क्या बात. ना घुसो घर में and find out who is having sex. यही करो भाई अभी. Then Subramaniam Swamy said, legitimizing homosexuality leads to commercial profit. What? Since gay bars will be opened in all cities on foreign direct investment. He's gone to the economic aspect. It is a genetic flaw celebrated. Kya baat? There is also Zakir Naik. Generally, naturally, no human beings loves the same sex. It is not genetic. अब साइंस का पार्ट जाकिर नाइक हमें पढ़ाएंगे भाई. क्या बात, क्या दिन आ गए हैं. If you think why all this fuss about LGBTQ, like why so much attention is being given to them, like why that much attention is being given, you really need to understand the history. At least in India, the LGBTQ community has gone through tremendous amount of torture in India. For example, Indian parents opted for corrective rape to cure their children of homosexuality, especially lesbians. They literally got their child or daughter raped to cure them of homosexuality. At least 15 incidents in Telangana occurred in 5 years of corrective rape. Deepti Tadanki, who was researching for a film, came across 2 horrific incidents of homosexual children. In one incident, a gay girl was raped by her cousin to cure her of homosexuality. And the parents did that. The parents asked the cousin to rape their daughter to cure her of homosexuality. In another incident, a gay boy was asked to have sex with his mother to cure him of homosexuality. Over so many years, so many homosexuals have got married to opposite sex. And the amount of torture they might have gone through, you can't even imagine. Baba Ramdev also says, like all homosexuals, come to my ashram. With Ayurveda and yoga, I will cure you of your homosexuality. Out of the many things Baba Ramdev can cure, like COVID-19, and almost every other disease, homosexuality is one of them. Well, he can't cure one thing, that's his one eye. That's really shocking. So do you understand how bad the situation is of this community in India or even in the world? So they deserve that much attention because people need to know what they are going through. During the Pride Month, a lot of companies changed their logo and put the LGBTQ flag there. But countries like Russia and other Middle Eastern countries, they were outright like, fuck this shit. These countries were like, liberty? Or do you mean humility? We have none of that. Even though India has repealed Section 377, the LGBTQ community is still struggling a lot as same-sex marriage is still not legal in India. And BJP is fighting against this quite a lot. They don't want same-sex marriages to be legal in India. The usual culture and sanskar, matlab, culture and sanskar, ठूसो fight anywhere. थोड़ा सा गैप दिखाना इधर कल्चर संस्कार घुसेड़ दो भाई, क्योंकि लाइफ में ना there is a hole in the wall and you need to fix that small hole. संस्कार और कल्चर घुसेड़ दो उसमें, gone. This संस्कृति bullshit never stops in India. Like हमारी संस्कृति, अरे चुप करो यार. But in this संस्कृति of ours, in this aspect, there is a catch. Most of the Buddhist or Hindu scriptures were never against homosexuality. Unlike the West, India always embraced homosexuality until the British came and criminalized it. So, the Britishers were the ones who got this homosexuality being a crime, all this nonsense. It wasn't in India. So, homosexuality wasn't brought from the West. Homosexuality being a crime was brought from the West. British has literally shat in every situation. Let it be India, Pakistan, Kashmir issue, Israel-Palestine issue, Sri Lanka LTT issue. This is one more thing added to it. Britishers na kya kitna hakke gaye, I didn't get it, man. And what is wrong with same-sex marriage? What I feel is people think that if gay marriage is legalized, people will just turn gay and start getting married. Bhai, waisa nahi hota hai. Again, it's not a damn choice. You're born with it. Just like straight people are born with their qualities, gay people are born with their own qualities. Case closed. Bas. There are so many things we don't know about and we must make it a point to understand these things. Like transgenders, bisexuals, asexuals, pansexual. There are a lot. So we must make it a point to understand all of these. And some people do take efforts in understanding this. Like a judge in Madras High Court said he didn't understand same-sex relationships. So he went to a counselor to get himself educated on this, that something like same-sex marriage or relationship does exist. So that's the open mind you need to have. And that's about it. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you guys in the next one.